Well, hey everybody, Martika here with Martika J Makes, and welcome to my channel. You guys, I am really excited to share this with you because, yeah, I just love it when I make something I love. I don't know about you, but I do. So, this is a collaboration between myself and Talisha from Creativity by T, and I will link her video in the description. So make sure you check it out. So we are talking today about Simplicity 9857. You guys, this pattern here, let me give you a little backstory because I picked this up when I went to Tulsa a while back. It was during Thanksgiving and 2023. And I went to the Joann's in Tulsa and I picked up maybe about four patterns, something like that. And I just wasn't sure about this one. I didn't like the short top. I didn't too much like the way the pants were fitting. But I said, you know what? It calls for a knit. So maybe it's just the way that it's shown that I'm not crazy about. Let me just go ahead and grab it because it was on sale for $1.99. Honey, let me tell you, I am in love with this pattern. It is an easy to sew pattern. All of the sizes are in one envelope. That makes it so much easier and so much more enjoyable because you don't have to go between two different size envelopes if you do need two different sizes. So I'm going to give you the deets on this and tell you why I love this so much. Well, number one, we decided to do this because we wanted to make something comfortable. Okay. It's been pretty busy this year already, and we just wanted, something that would be easy. And I'm all for the loungewear. Y'all know me. I love loungewear, but I love loungewear that I can throw on some tennis shoes or sandals or something and just go out the door if I need to, as well as something to wear around the house. So let's talk about this piece here. The suggested fabrics it calls for are stretch knits only, such as bamboo, double knit, ponte, sweater knit, sweatshirt fleece, and terry knit. If you are making the little top, the little bralette there, which I did not make, I just threw on a tank top that I had in my closet. But if you are making that, you will need active wear knits such as an interlock jersey, rib knit, something like that. Okay. So another thing that I liked about this, and I'm going to turn this over so you can see the line drawings. I like the fact that the pants had pockets. Okay. Y'all know I love me some pockets. And another thing is that I like the fact that the jacket only has 3 buttons. Okay. If you are learning how to sew buttons for the first time, it's a 3 button pattern. It's a great way to learn how to sew buttons and how to make buttonholes. Okay, I don't know very many people that make buttonholes with by hand anymore, but some still do, and that's totally fine. But I do choose to make my buttonholes with my sewing machine, and once I learned how to do that, it was game over. Yeah, it was game over. But another thing I loved about it is that the pants, you guys, have an elastic waist, as you can see, an elastic waist there. So makes it so comfortable, okay? And this is a reason why I keep a collection of elastic in different widths and lengths and different types of elastic because I love making elastic waist, pants and skirts and shorts and things like that. So let's talk about the cardigan. So first of all, for the cardigan itself, I sewed up a size small. Okay. I wanted to make sure that, that the fit was relaxed, but at the same time, not hanging on me. So I did sew a size small. Due to the bust measurements, the bust measurement for me, I'm more like a 39 and a half. I kind of fluctuate between like a 39 to 39 and a half to 40. It just depends. Okay. As you know, with women, we kind of go up and down. So For the pants, I also sold a small, okay, but the hip size for the pants was a 37, okay. However, I am a size 38 in the hip, okay, and that could go from a 38 to a 38 and a half. It just depends. But I went on ahead and I graded that out just by 1 inch, okay, simply because as you can see, it's more of like a loose fit. All right. So if it was a little bit fitted in the hip area, I would have been fine with that simply because of the way that the rest of the pants itself hang. So totally fine with that. So that's all that I did. I did not worry about adjusting the length of the pants too much because if I needed it to be shorter, I was just going to cut it off because I did want them to hang a little bit longer on me, so to speak, because if you can see how hers hang off the floor, I wanted mine to hang just a little bit more. So I was totally fine with that. And you guys, like I said before, sewing this was a breeze. There's really not anything negative that I could say about this. Let me see what notions you need. You do need 3 buttons, and like I said, you need your elastic, and you do need some interfacing, some lightweight interfacing, and that is for your band around your cardigan. That was pretty much it. So I used a waffle knit fabric that I had. I got it from Walmart. You guys, this was about 4 yards of fabric maybe that I got for like $6 or $8. So we're talking about a full complete set here for under $10. Stop sleeping on the fabrics. Okay, keep telling y'all to get out there and get you some bundles if you can. Not everybody have that luxury of having those fabric departments in their local Walmart, but if you see some great knit, go ahead and grab it because you can make pieces like this, you guys. And yeah, I mean, like I said, there's not a whole lot that I can tell you about this. Oh, the amount of fabric that the cardigan called for was like 1 3/8 yards of fabric. For the pants, it was like 1 5/8 yards of fabric. So under 4 yards of fabric. Game changer. Game changer. Yeah. Did this turn out looking like the pattern itself? I think it did. You be the judge. I think it did. And would I suggest this to you guys? Absolutely on top of the yes, 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 and yes. When Joann's have another simplicity sale, or if you want to get online to simplicity.com, whatever you have to do, get this pattern if you don't have it. You will thank me if you are looking for a very comfortable lounge set. And that again is Simplicity 9857. So I want to thank Talisha for collaborating with me on this one. Girl, we made a good choice, I think. Yeah, we'll hear about what she have to say about it in her video. But so make sure you get over there to watch it. And you guys, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, like this video and comment. Let me know what you think about this in the comments because I think that this fabric too made this pattern even so much more enjoyable with the little tie-dye and all that good stuff. You see it for yourself. So I'll see you guys in the next video and have a great one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.